Yun people, thank you so much guys sa suporta always. Big team Paangat channel. Team leader namin na si Sir Ricky. Mega love shoutout Sir Ricky. Sa dalawang admin ng BFF team, mega love shoutout Baby Shinsky at saka Baby Mariam. Thank you so much sa support niyo always. Sa lahat ng andyan, sa mga BFF team members, sa support niyo sa akin, thank you so much. Lo, thank you so much sa tambay. Maraming salamat. Jenny, thank you so much din sa tambay. Tsaka Bibi Krina, maraming salamat sa support mo always, sa tambay niyo, thank you so much. Bro Alhaj, thank you so much sa tambay. Tsaka Ma'am Agnes, thank you so much. Ma'am Giselle, thank you so much sa tambay. Sis Gemma, thank you so much. Tsaka Bibi Argent, maraming salamat sa tambay niyo. Bibi Queen Style, Ma'am BFF Lerms, Bibi Kaswarte, thank you so much. Sir Till, Carda TV, thank you sa tambay. Baby Mac, thank you so much. Boss R, thank you so much. Big Urgent. At saka Pinay Hiker, thank you so much for the support. Ma'am CL. Sa lahat ng bisita, maraming salamat. Thank you so much guys. TY Boss. Ayun, sorry TY. Thank you so much guys. Maraming salamat talaga guys. After a few minutes guys, ako'y mag-end na. Bukas pala guys, I just want to remind you all, by tomorrow, we will support Lo Bautista for her 1 year NYT LS. By tomorrow, 9 o'clock in the morning, UAE time. 8 o'clock in the morning, Saudi time. 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Pinas time guys. Kaya merong mga pa-games yung ACMM Lo, so may mga pa-prize, kaya supportan natin siya guys. Kaya hoping for maging successful yung things, yung pa-thank you as 1 year in BFF team. Actually si Emil is 1 year na siya sa BFF team, kaya meron siyang pa-thank you, meron siyang pa-raffle, at saka may pa-raffle ka ba Emil Lo? May pa-raffle at saka pa-games. May pa-raffle kay Memlo, di ba? Inunahan ko na pa-raffle ba? Basta meron siyang pa-games. May pa-games siya guys. Kaya thank you so much guys. Sa mga hindi ko na i-play guys, pasensya na. Pero well appreciated sa lahat ng pumunta. Ako'y mag-end na after 2 minutes guys. May paano kay Memlo? Basta tomorrow guys, see you there. 9 o'clock in the morning, UAE time for Memlo. Lo, 1 year in YT LS. Hindi naman siya jealous, lang siya, 1 year in YT. Pasalamat na Lo sa 1 year in BFF team. Ayan guys, thank you so much. Kung sinong mag-next ng LS guys, mag-start na kayo kasi ako'y mag-end na rin. Kaya maraming salamat ulit. Sa Ricky, thank you so much sa Ricky. Mega love shout out everyone and thank you so much. Well appreciated. Ayan, thank you so much guys. Maraming salamat ulit. Sa mga hindi ko na-play guys, pa-play ko na lang kayo guys ha, kasi ako'y mag-end na. May gagawin lang ako. Actually, nag-gutom ako eh. Mga damit na tulog ko talaga. Ayan guys, thank you so much ulit. Well appreciated. Sa lahat ng andyan. Sis Jamralia, mega love shoutout. Bro Alhaz, thank you so much sa support. Boss R, thank you. David Mac, thank you so much. Sir Ricky, thank you so much sa tambay mo. Pahinga ka na Sir Ricky, ako'y mag-end na rin. Kung sinong kasunod guys na mag-LS, na lang guys, para see you there by tomorrow guys sa LS ni Lo, sa 1 year in YT LS. 9 o'clock in the morning UAE time, 8 o'clock in the Saudi time, tsaka 1 o'clock in the afternoon Pinas time. Thank you so much guys, bye na guys, thank you. Baby Chinsky, Baby Mariam, thank you. Baby Sir Ricky, thank you so much. Boss R, Sir ano ba yan? Parang na ako. Baby Brina, thank you. Ma'am Giselle, Ma'am Agnes, thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Sis Gemma, thank you.